Living in Sugar Land means enjoying warm weather for most of the year, but it also means dealing with intense heat, humidity, and long cooling seasons. With air conditioning running almost year-round, homeowners are always looking for ways to reduce energy costs without sacrificing comfort. One smart and often overlooked upgrade is installing energy-efficient slider windows. Slider windows, also known as sliding windows, are designed to open horizontally along a track. Their simple design, modern appearance, and strong energy-saving potential make them an excellent fit for Sugar Land's climate. Designed to handle Texas heat, Sugar Land summers can be relentless, with high temperatures and strong sunlight placing constant strain on your HVAC system. Energy-efficient slider windows are built with features that help keep indoor temperatures stable. High-performance glass options, such as double-pane or low-E-coated glass, reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light inside. This means less solar heat gain during the hottest parts of the day, helping your air conditioner work more efficiently and reducing monthly energy bills. Improved sealing for consistent comfort. One of the biggest causes of energy loss in homes is air leakage. Older or poorly designed windows allow cool air to escape and hot outdoor air to sneak in. Modern slider windows are engineered with tight seals, durable weather stripping, and precision tracks that close securely. When properly installed, slider windows minimize drafts and air leaks, keeping cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter. In Sugar Land's humid environment, this tighter seal also helps control moisture levels, improving indoor comfort year-round. Excellent ventilation without energy waste. Slider windows are known for their smooth operation and wide openings, which allow for excellent ventilation when weather conditions are mild. During cooler mornings or evenings, you can open your windows to let fresh air circulate, reducing reliance on air conditioning. Unlike some window styles that allow air infiltration even when closed, quality slider windows maintain their energy efficiency while still offering flexible airflow when you want it. Low maintenance, long-term savings. Another advantage of slider windows is their low maintenance design. With fewer moving parts than other window types, they experience less wear and tear over time. Many energy-efficient slider windows also feature durable frames made from vinyl or composite materials, which resist warping, cracking, and heat damage, common issues in Texas climates. Lower maintenance needs and long-lasting performance mean fewer repairs and replacements, translating into long-term cost savings for homeowners. Ideal for modern homes and renovation, slider windows are especially popular in contemporary and updated homes across Sugar Land. Their sleek profile allows for larger glass areas, maximizing natural light without increasing heat transfer when paired with energy-efficient glass. More daylight means less dependence on artificial lighting during the day, which can further reduce electricity usage. Combined with energy-efficient lighting and appliances, slider windows play a valuable role in creating an overall energy-smart home. Boosting home value and comfort. Energy-efficient upgrades don't just lower utility bills, they also add value to your home. Buyers in Sugar Land are increasingly looking for homes with energy-saving features that offer comfort, sustainability, and lower operating costs. Installing high-quality slider windows enhances curb appeal, improves indoor comfort, and demonstrates a commitment to energy efficiency, making your home more attractive in the long run. A smart choice for Sugar Land homeowners in a climate where cooling efficiency matters most, slider windows offer a practical and stylish solution. Their ability to reduce heat gain, prevent air leaks, and support efficient airflow makes them an excellent investment for Sugar Land homeowners focused on comfort and savings. If you're looking to upgrade your windows and improve your home's energy performance, slider windows are a smart choice that delivers benefits you can feel every day, especially during those hot Texas summers.